1994 on base of taking advantage of international advanced machine. It is mainly used for laying up the low-medium voltage cable and medium-high voltage cable, twisting high and extra high voltage silicon conductor cores, as well as steel wire armoring and copper wire screening. This kind of drum twister, as main product of our company, has been improved many times in design. Now it is up to the international standard and remain the top rank in domestic market. The main components are rotary payoff, sector correction device, die holder, taping unit, caterpillar and take-up. The caterpillar and take-up share same motor. Other parts are driven by separate motors. The payoff is of fork type, to be driven by separate motor, clamping and releasing bobbin by motor. The payoff tension is pneumatically controlled and adjustable. Hydraulic lifter and sliding cars are used for loading and unloading drums. Sector correction is used for making silicon cable and controlling the rotary speed of payoff. Both congregation and separated mounting are available. Rotary die holder has 3 conducting dies. One is movable and others are fixed. An orientation device to be mounted in front of die holder for positioning the silicon cable and conductor. Non-metal taping unit is driven by separate motor, controlled by imported inverter. Half tendency type with high rotary speed. Tape material: non-woven cloth, polyethylene, PVC, semiconductor or copper tape, etc. The taping unit has a function of tape breaking stop. Metal tape unit is also driven by separate motor, controlled by imported inverter. Half tendency type. It is mainly used for steel wire armoring. The taping unit has a function of tape breaking stop. 2 flat belts are mounted up and down on the caterpillar with pneumatic pressing, which can rotate together with the rotary take-up, driven by separate motor. Speed variety is stepless type. The rotary take-up is of fork type with underroller, driven by DC motor, while traversing motor is AC motor. And the speed of traversing follows the speed of taking up with the function of fast traversing. Hydraulic loading lifter is used for bobbin loading. CPD type of drum twister has a very advanced electric control system. DC driver is British Eurozone. AC driver is of Danfoss, Denmark, or Siemens, Germany. The whole line is handled by imported PLC and touchscreen, linked by Profibus, which the data can be set, modified, displayed on the screen, as well as fault indication. Furthermore, the user could add a steel wire payoff stand incorporating with drum twister for steel armoring. Size of existing drum twister could be selected as 2000, 2200, 2500, 3150, 3500, 4000, 4200, etc.